Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba on Trust Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. To buy Shiba on Trust Wallet, tap open your Trust Wallet app first. Make sure you log into your account and once you are, tap on the buy button at the top of the screen. Now, search for Shiba into the search box and you'll be able to see Shiba Inu appearing in the search result. Tap it on and right where you can see this kind of an interface, type in the amount of Shiba Inu that you would like to purchase into the text box at the top. Now, once you are done, select a third-party provider by tapping on Simplex. And you can either make your payment with Simplex or MoonPay. You can select the best rate over here, which is Simplex right now. Let me tap on that as well. And finally tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen. Soon after you do that, it will take you to a new website over here. Type in your card number into the text box along with the expiration date, your first name and your last name on the card, and finally your security code in the last text box and tap on the next button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to buy Shiba on Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.